My Begonia Ashura has the case of mold, spot mold. Okay, I actually trimmed the bejesus out of it yesterday, and I think I know what the problem is. The problem is I have a glazed pot. It doesn't breathe enough. Look, quick video. My Begonia Ashura has a problem, and the problem is spot mold. I actually trimmed the hell out of it yesterday, which hopefully will make it bushier as well. But it is definitely okay to save. I've moved it. I've moved locations. Okay, I've put it somewhere where there's always an open door and a draft to dry it. Less heat. I put it less direct sun, but I want to try and save it because it's probably one of the best looking plants I have in terms of foliage and stuff like that. I mean, look at this. Look at that. What a striking plant, yeah? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a terracotta pot. A terracotta pot, I find more and more, a terracotta pot is the best pot. Why? Because it's breathable. It's constantly air wicking. So it's exceptionally forgiving when it comes to watering and humidity. I've got a mix of actually roughly 1 part bark, 1 part pumice, and 1 part potting soil for great drainage. Okay, for good drainage, that's what I've decided to opt for. That way it doesn't retain much moisture at all. Okay, much moisture at all. And hopefully I can pull this out without much damage. Damn it. I think the roots are stuck on the side. So let me just loosen that up. So this is probably going to shock the plant a little bit, but that's okay. I can see the roots coming out the bottom already. So this is already outgrown its pot. But there you go. It's already root bound. So what I'm going to do is actually, okay, unavoidable, but it's already root bound. Oh crap. So I think I'm going to need a support structure for this thing. Okay. That's okay. Let me get a support structure. Quite interesting because this is quite a young plant, but very prolific, and it's already root bound. So that's actually quite shocking to me, but that's okay. I'm just going to cut this leaf off. I'm going to cable tie at the top here. There. Not large enough to stunt its growth, but because I'm going to put it somewhere where there's a bit of a draft, it's going to need it. Okay. And what I'm going to start doing too is I'm going to start watering it from the bottom. I've got a bigger tray in the bottom. I'm going to put water on there, and I'm going to water it from the bottom. So all this Laker balls, I put Laker balls in there, which actually is quite good. I like the Laker balls. It's like Laker balls are guaranteed drainage, you know. Yeah, so there you go. Quick repotting, terracotta, so it's breathable. It's already root bound on here, so that's probably why it was suffering as well. Needed some room to move. Let's see if I can rescue this. Okay, beautiful plant. There you go. Done.